Hello friends, welcome to Trade for Wealth Trading Academy. Today's topic is how to create a basic free chart account ID in TradingView platform, how to use my software and how to get the access about the software and basic information about the software. I will cover this 4 to 5 topics. जैसे आप मुझे कांटेक्ट करोगे यू विल गेट द मैसेज ऑन दिस व्हाट्सअप कि रिलेटेड अबाउट माय यूट्यूब link okay, how to use the software and all, and how to create the TradingView user in ID. So basic, we first of all copy this link and paste that link on Google Chrome. Just enter. Hmm. So you will get this type of platform of TradingView. TradingView is not the demat account. This is a chart platform. In this there are a various chart format in future options, commodities, currencies, various charts अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, और मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म का जो भी कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर है वो भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या ये बेसिक वर्जन दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे बेसिक, ये बेसिक वर्जन पे यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ फ्री. after using the basic you can use lifetime free, that is not the charges for that. But once you are familiar with that, once you want to trade as a accurate signal and want a highest probability about the various indicator, because in the basic there are various restrictions about the only 3 indicators we can add. Then there are the 3 basic platform also, pro plus and premium, also premium service. So for the regular trader, Pro is sufficient. For the expert Pro trader, Pro Plus is required. And for the full time trader like जो services चलाते हैं उनके लिए premium है. तो I have the premium account. But initially you can use the basic account, free basic account. It's absolutely free. So you can log in that, sign करो by using Facebook account, by using Google account or anything, by using mail account also. uh, you can create the mail account, so you can create. So by using signing on that, so you can create the mail id and password. You can create that mail id and password. After creating that, you will get this type of screen. In this screen, this is your user id. Just got it, this is your user id. So for the basic free trial you have to send this type of user id. Sometimes if this user id is not available here, you just click on this arrow, click on this profile, and you will get this. So this is your user id, like that way. So you can send me the user id in 2 format. This is your user id for the free trial, or click on that profile and this is your user id. Then click on the chart. Again, this is not a demat account, this is a free charting account. So chart platform is there available. Okay. So this is your platform, such that you can select any type of script by typing here. Suppose we want bank nifty, then bank nifty futures also available. Suppose you click on the futures, then Feb 2021, March, April, anything. Nifty, same as Reliance also available. Stocks ka future is also available. So you can click on Reliance, and you will get the Reliance ka future in that. If Reliance Industries, then that will be the spot price. Reliance Industries futures, then we get the February, March, April. Let us say I'm clicking on only Reliance. Okay. After that, suppose we are not getting the user ID there, then click on this 3 name. This is also your user ID. Same. अगर वहां पे user ID नहीं मिला तो ये user ID आपका है. So I hope सबको पता चल गया कि user ID क्या होता है. After that, here it is a time frame, so you can select any time frame, but the best time frame for the software is 3 minutes and 5 minutes for the intraday trading. After that, you will get the one of the indicator section here. Indicator section. After you send me the user ID, I will activate your trial. Then for the getting of my software, just click on this indicator. In indicator, you will get the invite only script. If you are not getting the invite only script, then again log out, then again log in. Or second best option is press Control R, that is refresh करो press को. Let us say Control R. देखो Control R means reload होगा. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि आपके यहाँ पे वो इनवाइट लिंक ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा है. देन यू हैव द टू बेसिक ऑप्शंस, आइदर प्रेस द कंट्रोल आर, दैट इज रिफ्रेश द पेज, और लॉग आउट और लॉग इन करो. देन आपको वो इनवाइट लिंक जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. So click on that indicator, then here invite link option is there. So click on invite link. So you will get the Trade for Wealth software number 1. Okay, in the free trial only one software is available, and in the paid subscription you will get the 3 softwares. Okay, so click on here, there is a lock sign. Then don't confuse about this lock sign. This lock sign is not for that. This is the invite link, private indicator is there. So just click on this Trade for Wealth software one time. Just click on this, then check here, your software will be available here. Getting my point? Just click on this, you will get the software over there, and just close it. So your software is available here. Okay, so this is your basic software in this 3 basic tools using. These are the nothing but the combinations of indicators use kiya hua hai. So how to take, whenever the short signal is there, then we have to short the rally, means we have to take the put for the bank nifty. If the lower line is also red, this is also short and near to the pivot line, then overall the training is given in the videos, but this is the basic info. Then we have to take the short trade. For the long trade, what is the criteria? This should be the green line and this should be the long near to the pivot. अगर pivot के यहाँ पे अगर वो buy दे रहा है, so this is the extended pivot. अगर मैं यहाँ पे extension करूँ pivot का, same, that is a extended pivot. So near to the pivot, that is giving the buy signal. That is a good buy signal. Okay. So by using that, one can use the software. So I will give the 3 to 4 basic points about the software. First thing, this software one can use in 2 devices at a time, that is in mobile and also in the laptop. Since this is a web-based portal, web-based means you can use the app also, TradingView platform app also available in Play Store, or in the Google Chrome you can type tradingview.com, and by using your login ID and password you can use this software in mobile also. That is the first feature. Second, in the free trial I am giving only the one tool. In the paid trial you are giving the 3 basic softwares. In the paid trial I will give you the 20 hours ka trainings video also, कि how to use the combination of 1, 2 and 3 software का tool, how to use that entire software, उसके trainings भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. Third thing, for this entire I'm charging the worth rupees 3000. In 3000 you are getting the 3 softwares, as well as daily I am providing the 2 to 3 calls. In that 2 to 3 calls only your monthly subscription easily recover. Daily I am giving the bank nifty options ka call, daily I am giving the cash equity ke calls, daily I am giving the stocks options ke calls also. Is that clear? So these type of, and chart analysis also, and daily I am giving the live market mein I am updating all the things also. If any target is achieved or stop loss is hit, like that, I have the accuracy of about 85 to 90%. You can check my accuracy in my Telegram channel. You will get the Telegram channel link. यहाँ पे in same message में, if you click on this, then you will get the Telegram channel का link. For that you have to first download the Telegram and click on that. Then directly you can join the Telegram. In Telegram you can just check my accuracy from the last 1.5 to 2 years. You will get my accuracy levels in that. And more about, after the 2 days trial, you can use this 2 days trial, continuous 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday. If there is a holiday, then don't take the trial on that holiday, because that is continuously counting the 2 days and automatically deactivated from your account. So you can take the trial in 2 working days, that is Monday, Tuesday. If Friday is there, then take the trial on Monday, Tuesday. That's a better way. Otherwise Friday, Saturday वो count होता है. ठीक है. After the trial you can contact me, and anytime you can take the paid subscription by paying the on Google Pay, Phone Pay, and account pay also, like that way. ठीक है. आई थिंक दिस इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सॉफ्टवेयर. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन प्लीज लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, कमेंट करो, और आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी ये फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो. थैंक यू.